Okay, welcome back to our motif, and we're going to take this and we're going to see how we can sort of develop it a little bit further. Okay, so I'm going to show you here as well how we can add bars. Now, if I kept writing music here, it will automatically add bars, but if I decide, okay, I'm going to write an 8-bar melody, right? I've got 4 bars here, and here we go. I just click on that double bar line, it's called. That's, by the way, when we've got that little line there and then the big line, we call that a double bar line, and we put that always at the end of a piece of music to show that, okay, that's the end of it. That's, finished, right? So at the beginning we have the treble clef, or whatever clef of the instrument we're playing, the time signature, and then another time we're going to learn about key signs, which is the sharps or the flats that go here to tell us if notes are raised or lowered here. Let's not worry about that now. But at the beginning we always have this information here of what clef the music is in, what time signature it is, and what notes we play. And that information is it's like coding. It's there. That tells us what to do along here, and then that says that's the end. Okay, so we've clicked on there, and we go up here to measure, and we go plus, 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 plus. And then I'm going to show you how later on, when we're doing this, how you can, like a word processor, you can highlight and hit return and make it just 4 bars a line or 3 bars a line, or however you want that to look. I'm going to suggest that we actually have 4 bars a line, so I'm going to do that now. If I click on that bar line, it's got to be right on that bar line, and I hit return. There we go. I've got 4 bars on this top bit. I've got 4 bars down here. Okay. Now, here's what we did last lesson. Now, when you upload this to Google Classroom, this time we're going to double click here, and we're going to rename it my melody. So instead of my motif, which is just, our motif is this short little bit that we did last lesson, and now we're going to take that, and what we can do is if we click on that bar and highlight it, then we hold the shift key and click on that bar. It highlights both those bars, and we go Command C to to copy that. We put our cursor there, and we go Command V, and there we are. We've got 2 more bars. Okay, what if we did this? While that's highlighted, I just hit my arrow keys. Well, okay, let's see what that's like. Okay, now that's pretty good. So what I did is I took it up 4 notes. That's G. So I went G, A, B, C. We count the note we start on, and I took it up 4 notes. But I took all of the notes up 4 notes, okay? And that's a compositional technique that, by the way, we call sequence. So we take a musical pattern, and we either move it up a certain number of steps or down a certain number of steps. And it's the same pattern, but at a higher or lower pitch, okay? Let's, this time, instead of using that musical idea, we're going to keep it back here, and we're going to change the, see how this goes da 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 da. We're going to make it a different pattern, so the mathematicians amongst you are going, oh yeah, okay, I can see how this is working. Alright, so it's like an inversion of this, okay? And what if we do the same with this? Okay, so that's a G, and this one, so what we're basically doing, we kind of, let's see, the do 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 do. Okay, now that doesn't quite. We've got to take that down a step if we're going to invert that. Okay, let's have a listen just to that bit. And then I'm going to save myself a bit of time, copy again that original 2 bars, put that in here. But this time I'm just going to change, that's okay. But I'm just going to change this so we end up on a nice high C. Okay? Da, 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 da. I can kind of hear that in my head without even playing. Okay, here's the whole tune. Okay, so there it is, and now we go edit, save, always save, export, full score PDF will do us nicely for the moment. Continue, save. That's in our downloads folder, and that goes up to Google Classroom. So you should now have my motif and my melody, and then to your digital portfolio, and reflect on your learning. What did you learn? You wrote a motif, you learnt what a motif was, and you actually developed it into a melody. Okay, well done.